Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Russia and I have BBA in marketing.
Hi, I'm Ruben. From Colombia. I studied back then a BBA, and now I'm here as a student of the BCDT program.
Hello, I'm Rasha, I'm from Morocco, and before coming here I had a BBA in finance and international business and also worked for a few months as a junior consultant.
Hello, bonjour, marhaba. I'm Sahar, I'm Lebanese and I'm a delegate for the BCDT program.
I guess I want to become a consultant for two main reasons.
The first one will be to work at an international level. These will teach me how to learn about the perspectives and ways of working at a global scale.
I don't want to be stuck in this typical 9 to 6 job where you do the same things all over again. I think I want to grow as a person, want to change projects every 6 to 12 months. And it would be pretty cool to identify multi-millionaire companies' problems and then find solutions for them myself.
The second reason would be to develop my soft skills, such as communication, leadership, and emotional intelligence.
I want to try to find opportunities and to turn my clients into the market leaders. So I think it's a great way to kind of challenge my problem solving and curiosity.
As one of the top performing students, and even before I started applying for internships, I started to receive phone calls from the Big Four asking me if I wanted internships or job opportunities, and that couldn't have been my reality without this master's.
Our master's program is developed in a way to reduce the gap between being a student and being a consultant. We have real missions with real clients, having real problems. We will solve it in a realistic way, but we cannot do this without our professors who are practitioners and are helping us to get the skills and expertise.
We're looking forward to seeing you here. Мы с нетерпением ждем вас.
Queremos verte acá.
Notre école.
On a hâte de vous voir ici.